Good morning, good people. This is your PoolePRoof wisdom moment. I'm recording this on March 1st, but you'll be seeing it on March 4th. However, I want to say, as I am recording this and knowing you'll see it in a few days, that despite the quick passage of time, it does seem like we just began 2024 yesterday, right? And here we are already at March 4th. But don't let that deter you. Don't let it make you anxious or nervous because time is passing so quickly. Instead, I want you to focus on the gift that you get from the anticipation from what lies ahead, the promise of a new day, what you can accomplish in 24 hours. Let each day be a gift and don't focus on what could happen that won't work out or think about all the things that are not necessarily right in your life. Which brings me to the point that I want to make to you all today. Inevitably, we're all going to reach points many times throughout our lives when we are only able to ask ourselves, what the hell am I supposed to do now as it relates to anything that could possibly be happening in our life? You know how that is. You're like, man, I've tried everything. What am I supposed to do now? I'm out of options. There's nothing else I can do. Stop. Think. Breathe. Pause. And my formula, if you can call it that, for answering that question is always the same. What am I going to do about it now? What can I do now? You can stop. You can center yourself. You can remember 100% of all the worst things you imagined for yourself. Those you've already experienced, you somehow have survived, which is why you and I are sitting here. All the worst things that we had fear about, we've survived those. And if you've survived those, the chances are, good person, that you will survive anything else that is going to come your way. So centering yourself so that you can remember that is essential to the process of being able to move forward. The next part of what I do is, while I'm centered, I close my eyes and I pray. I don't know how you pray. I don't know to whom you pray or what you are asking for. But when I pray, I'm asking for discernment. I'm asking for the ability to understand what I'm supposed to do and how I'm supposed to do it. And I'm surrendering the thought of what I think in favor of what the higher power in the universe is telling me to do. Now, I know that sounds kind of quirky probably to a lot of people, but it's true. I listen for the direction. And I guarantee you that direction always comes. The final thing I do is I accept the reality that tells me I have got to move forward. Looking back isn't going to help me. Looking to the side isn't going to help me. And often looking for others to do the work for me isn't going to be a possibility. There are those things when you reach that point of what the hell am I going to do that only you can do, and you've got to get about the work of doing them. Not looking back, not looking sideways, but looking straight ahead and acknowledging that this responsibility is yours and living into your maturity by doing the work that you have to do. I guarantee you, good person, if when you reach that point of saying, what the hell am I supposed to do now? You answer it with take action and then take these actions, you will find yourself on the other side of whatever it is in good time, without question, without uncertainty. And that's your PoolePRoof wisdom moment for today. Welcome again to March, and I'll see you again soon right here next time.